Hello, Flavian from Sidus Academy. For this third episode, we are going to talk about foot care after running. Once you have finished your hike, we have all experienced slightly traumatized, painful feet, as well as sore muscles and somewhat heavy legs. To do this, we have several products that can be really interesting for you. The first, recovery cream, is a cryo cream. It is made up of more than 70% natural origin. It is of course developed by Sidus in France. It is composed of peppermint for a truly icy effect. We will really have the sensation of having very cold skin, a truly cold effect. And this is really good for everything related to soreness, bruises, and tendinitis. For all these conditions and pains, this cream will truly play a significant role. After the run, do not neglect compression socks either. I am indeed talking about compression, not containment. These compression socks will play a real role in recovery. According to the figures, we are at about 30% effectiveness in recovery in terms of blood flow. So it can really help to recover more easily and effectively. When you have finished your run or hike, stay still for a quarter of an hour, 20 minutes, and only then come to stretch. Let the muscles recover a little, even if it's just half an hour. Take your time and then do your stretches. If you do this, you will limit the risk of muscle pain and have a recovery that is both more effective and faster. Massage rollers can also be really effective in terms of recovery, both for the feet and for the lower limbs, including the calves and quadriceps. This will help limit or eliminate tension, providing you with much more comfort before the race. Don't hesitate to check out our 2 other videos covering pre-race and during the race. You'll learn more about how to prepare your feet.